Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the crypto prediction today, or Bitcoin forecast, or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and this video, guys, we are going to analyze for you in the weekly time frame. So for long-term investors to know how to invest in the cryptocurrency, and we're going to go to the daily time frames, analyzing for you what the Bitcoin doing right now in the daily time frame. Then we're going to 4 hours to analyze for you what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Then we're going to analyze for you in 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders. So stay tuned and watch all the video from the start till the end. Plus we got some special news for you here. So watch all the video and don't try to skip anything in it. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. So guys, here in the weekly, as you see it, the weekly candle, how it's finished here. It gives us here a nice pin bar, indicating the market maybe is going to reverse. But the volume down of that weekly here is not that big, guys. So it's still a little bit early for us here to think of to enter long. I'm talking here about the weekly. And here in the weekly, look at it. What you got here. You got a wage like that, or you can name it like a flag or whatever, because those names, the most important to know how to trade them. What my view to it now? My view personally, guys, I'm thinking, guys, there is no entry unless if we go back here. It's need the Bitcoin to come at least to that level here and to break here. If it doesn't break here, there is nothing, guys. Also, we're still in a downtrend. As I tell you all those things before, we need now Bitcoin to come back at least to cover that candle here, to come back inside that zone here. And I show you about all those things before. What did I told you about that one? If it came back here, I told you it's going to give us that wake-up pattern or wake-up market structure, indicating that the market is going to reverse. But here in the weekly, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. Plus another thing here in the weekly, guys, let me show it to you. If you see in here, guys, in the weekly, what you see in here and here from that place, let's bring it from here to here. What you see? You got a divergence, guys, yes or no? Even that white line here, that one, it show you that divergence here in the weekly. So should you buy, guys? No, my friend, no, it's not yet. I tell you all those things before. For long-term investment, start this here, yes, buying once a week, once a month, depending how much capital you earn. But for you to enter long, it's not yet, guys. It's not yet. We need the Bitcoin to come. Look with me here, what I'm going to show you here. It's need the Bitcoin, guys, to come from here and to break here. If it's breaking here, the downtrend here, yes, also we can enter. But for now, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. Yes, here it's reacting. That trend line here is a stronger, but who knows? Maybe from here, guys, we're going to break it and we go down to 10K. Yes or no? So what should we do now? Nothing. Me, told you before from where I enter from here now, and I got another pending order, I think, down here at 12K. If it fall down there, I'm going to buy again. Then if it fall down there, I'm going to give you where to buy again. All those levels, I got them, guys. So till now, also we need to wait, and guys, we need, you see that trend line here with dots, that one here. I will draw it. I came here like that, and I draw it like that. We need the Bitcoin to come to break here. If it doesn't break here, there is no entry yet. That for people, they want to enter just one go. You want to enter just one go, we need Bitcoin to come to break here, the downtrend I'm showing you. If it's not, there is no entry, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go in to see the coming news for tomorrow. By the way, before we go to the news, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel. Every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. Here we are, guys. Actually, there is nothing special for tomorrow. Here it's just for the euro and those ones. So also we don't trade in forex here. The only thing we got here is our table, guys. That one also we follow it every day. What it's saying here, look at it. What it's telling you. The stocks, they started red. The only one which is not red is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is not red. Then the SP is red. The Nasdaq is it red. That's something a little bit bad. Plus what we got here, our friend, that one every day also we need to check it. What it's telling us is the VIX, guys. What the VIX telling us here. The VIX, it's very close to get below 20, but also we're still above 20, guys. It's still a little bit of scarcity in the market. That's why I told you we need to wait in a little bit, but we are very, 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 very close, guys. Remember that we are very, very, very close. So if you are a stock investor for long term, forget about the media, forget about everything, and start buying US stocks, guys. Buying the blue chips. Picture is too clear, guys. Even Bitcoin, buy a little bit from it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let me show you some news I got for you guys fundamentally. So let's go in there. The first news, guys, I got for you is it that one. As you see it, what it's saying here. Coinbase institutional investors increase allocation during crypto winter. Long-term price outlook positive. You know what that meant or no? That meant those big whales, they started buying the crypto at this time. Because now also we are in a crypto winter. So even you, be with the smart money, don't be with the dumb money, my friend. Be with the smart money, don't be with the dumb money. Try to buy a little bit slowly by slowly every week, every month. I'll give you the plan to invest in for long term. So like that, follow that. That's the first news, guys. Second news we got is it that one, guys. That one, what it's saying here. Look at it here. What it's telling you. Binance, they make something new as a proof of reserve. They make a website for the exchanges for the transparency, guys. For no one to steal the community of the Bitcoin like how it happened to the Terra Luna, like how it happened to the FTX. All those drama, they started something new, and that's what I told you. Regulation is going to bring new investors to the market, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Another news I got for you guys is very important again. Is it that one? That one about Russia? What it's saying, guys, here. Vladimir Putin push for blockchain system for cross-border payment. That means they enter in the blockchain or the system of crypto, the internet, big players, guys. Big players like Russia and the friend of them, because as majority of you know, there is East versus the West. The West, they got the US dollar. The East, they want to use the blockchain as a system of payment across the border. That's a very, very, very huge news, guys. And we got another news for you. Even that one, guys, that's what his name. Coinbase, guys, did launch a new way to promote crypto exchanges transparency. Like the same thing like how it's going Binance. Same route and on-chain accounting. Picture is too clear, guys. Regulation is coming to the crypto world, and that's something very good, and it will not happen that madness like now. And I tell it to you, when regulation came, big whales, they will enter to the market, guys. So I tell it to you before, try to find a seat in the plane, put your belt and sit in before the plane take off, guys. Crypto, they are not going to go to nowhere, and Bitcoin, it will not go to nowhere. Try to invest slowly by slowly, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go back to the chart to show you more. What is it there? Here we are, guys, in the daily. Here in the daily candle, it's finished. Is it that red one? The last video being green here. Now it's finished the red. What that indicating to you guys? The market is being falling down, yes or no? But look here at the volume down here. What it's telling you? The volume down here, it's telling us the volume is getting lower and lower and lower and lower. Where is the time the volume is push higher, guys? When the two green candle came. Yes or no? So now what should we do, guys, here? Nothing, my friend. We just need to wait in Monday candle. What is going to tell us? Either it's going to come red and it's going to go back here down, or it's going to come green and it's going to go up till here, and over here also we're going to take some profit from that 4 hours we enter in it. Picture is too clear, guys. So here in the daily, what we need to do? Nothing, my friend. I tell it to you before, you need to wait in a break to happen here for that inside bar I show you before. That two candles, that one and that one, that two, they are inside bar, guys. You need to wait in the market to break either up or to come to break down. Till now, there is no break, so there is no entry. Also, we need to wait in till the right moment came. That for long-term investment, guys. Picture is too clear, guys? By the way, yes, you, my friend, I know you are a subscriber. Smash the like button. Go ahead and do it. Please helping us, my friend. Support us, please. Support us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down comments. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Also, where we enter in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, we enter because that break will happen here for that wage we used to have here or that triangle. Yes or no? We enter from here. Stop loss of us, we put it down here. Take profit where we put it. We put it here. Yes or no? Now what should we do, guys? We need to wait in the market to go up till here. If it doesn't go up and if it fall down, it's okay. Also, we don't lose nothing, guys. Then also we're going to looking for another buy opportunity. Picture is too clear, guys. And here in the 4 hours, what else we got? We got that level here. And I tell it to you in the last Friday, I told you that Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here. And that's what happened. And we got at the second level is that one. So the 2 levels, you need to make a close eye at them. Either we're going to break higher here, then we go up. But till now, there is no volume, guys. Look at it here, down. The volume is very, very, very dry. There is no big players entering. Majority of them, they're still waiting. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our indicators, what they say for pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it came here. And I'll show you, we got here a hidden divergence. But watch me, I told you for us to thinking of to enter, it need to come and to break higher here. Did it break? No, my friend, not yet. It doesn't come up and break in here, the trend line as we have. So there is nothing here yet completed. We need to wait in a little bit. That trading, that a part of the game. The passion is a part of the game. There is no one entering just every day you need to enter. If you want every day to enter, you need to go to scalping. Swing trading, it's need from you passion. Remember those words me I'm telling you. Swing trading, it's need from you passion. Investing, it's need from you passion, guys. Picture is too clear. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying for pictures to be more clear to you. The one here, we've been here at the oversold area level. We've been in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Third thing we used to have here is the price action. 3 things they completing for us. Also, we enter long, we put stop lose, and we put take profit of us here in that place. What should we do now? Nothing. We just need to wait in. Either the market will go higher or no. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you now. And here I show you before. We got here, in that level here, we got here a flag. That one is a continuation pattern. But should we enter long? Also, we enter already in the Bitcoin. We bought Bitcoin earlier. Now, what should we do? We need to wait in that one to break up here, guys. And our indicator was telling us, also, we're still here in the middle. So we need to wait in the Bitcoin till it reach in here to overbought area. At the right time for us to take some profit. Now, we just need to wait in. We put in take profit. We put in stop loss. We just need to wait in now. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. The last 2 videos, what also we said, we used to have here a down channel. It's breaking here. Also we enter. The last video, I think we be in here. Watch me, I told you, in that level here. I told you need to start thinking of to take some profit and to protect yourself. What's happened now? The opening, it came. Look here, what happened? A big falling down happening, guys. And here, what else we got here? Even though I want to show it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it again. You got there a triangle, guys, yes or no? But where is the break happening? Down here. Should you buy? Or should you enter short? No, my friend. Because that level here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. You see it now or no? You see the picture. That's why you see that green candle here happening. Me, I think in personal is going to go higher, but let's wait in. It's our indicator what it's saying for the pictures to be more clear to you. Our indicator is it very, very, very close to the oversold area, guys. You can't enter short now because we are very close to the oversold area. So now what should we wait in? We should wait in here. The market to enter here to the oversold area. Then we're looking for a price action because there is no price action there indicating for us we need to enter short again. So we need to wait in a little bit, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. And please support us. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.